Hello dear student, myself your Sanjeev sir, and today I am here how you will take your online classes. So we are taking our online classes by Teachment app. As I am making the circle on a app, you need to download this app. Okay, by this app you can take your classes. Why I need to download this app? What are the benefits? It have lot of benefits. We are providing lot of things on this app. Okay, so you need to download this app. How can you download this app? So you can go on your Play Store. Okay, and after that you can download this app. This is my Play Store. So as you have your phone, you have your Play Store. Play Store, you can write your search box option if you do not know. So after download this app will come here in your App Store. Okay, as this app came in my App Store. So what I need to do? You need to tap this app. You need to fulfill some details in this app. Okay, so I'm going to tap this app. So I tap this app. So this app is asking my contact number. Here you can see that I can write down my contact number. So I am going to write down my contact number. So I enter my contact number. So after that I need to use send OTP. So I am going to tap this send OTP. I tap that. Now this app is waiting for OTP. So OTP will come from this app, and I need to fill that OTP in this app. After filling the OTP, I need to continue. So I am going to tap continue. So here he is asking about that you are teacher, you are student. So as this video is for student, so I think I can work as student. So I will go and tap this student. Okay. So when I tap this, he is asking about my name. So I can write my name whatever I want. No, sorry, I need to write my name that I have in my school, because attendance also came from this app. So my name is Sanjeev. So I am writing my name Sanjeev. After that I will tap student. So I tap the student, in down you can see there is a continuous. So I will go and tap this continue. Then continue will take me here. Okay. After that what I need to do, I just skip this app and I will go there where my teacher is providing me link. Now you need to go on WhatsApp. Okay. Up to this you can come, and then after you need to go on WhatsApp. Why I need to go WhatsApp? On WhatsApp my teacher already provide me the link. As you see, this app is showing there is a link. Okay, this link that is came from your teacher. Okay, that will you can find in WhatsApp group, as I have WhatsApp group 7th. Okay, so your teacher is sending you a link. If you do not have the link, you can call the teacher. Teacher, send me the link. Okay, in that link what you which type of detail you have. So as you can see that this is the blue link which you need to tap. Okay, and under this you can check there is the ID, classroom ID. Every subject have their different ID. So if you are a student of 7th class or any other class, if you have 5 subjects, so you need to take 5 links from the each subject teacher. Okay, so each 5 teacher will provide you different classroom ID. Okay, must be be careful about it. Then after which subject your teacher is teaching, you can check here. Okay, after that you need to tap this, blue link. Okay, so I am going to tap this blue link. So as you can see, if I will tap that, so this will come. Okay, I have already lot of classes, but in the beginning you do not have these type of classes, so it will be not your home page. This is my home page. Okay, let's suppose you tap that link. So that class maybe, let's suppose that was 10th. Okay, so if this is class 10th, so you send you tap that link. Then after tapping that link, approval will goes to your teacher. Okay, and teacher have that problem, how they will accept this approval. When they will accept this approval, this sign will remove from there. Okay, like that, Hindi teacher already approved my link. So I have Hindi here and 10. So after that what I need to go, as I just need to tap this. So when I tap my classroom, so this classroom will come this side. Okay, like this is Hindi subject, this is classroom ID. Here I have lot of timetables. Your teacher will fill this timetable. You do not need to do anything about teacher, about classroom. This is not your problem, this is teacher problem. So teacher will fill this type of queries. Okay, after attendance you can check your attendance. If parents are watching this, so parents can check their attendance. And why I am using Zoom app, why I am not using Zoom app, because here I have lot of things: recording, tags, students, okay, chats, and notice board, assignment we can give, study material, lot of things we can give, we can share with the student. Okay, so this is the process. First you now need to download app, then after login as the student, okay, then student login, you need to find the link that will come from your teacher side. Then after the tabbing the link, you just need to tab the link. After tab, you will come in the classroom. If your teacher will approve your request, so if your teacher will not approve, so pending will come like this. If your teacher will approve, then classroom will open, and this classroom have this type of facility. Okay, and after classroom, when teacher accept this, so if your class is going online, sorry, live, means teacher will fix the timetable here. According to timetable, you just need to open this classroom and you need to check your class. If this is Z, that means your teacher is not here. Okay, if I will press it for you right now, so what happened, you can check. I am going to press this will come, this interface will come, in which waiting for teacher. If your teacher is not in the class, so this will come. Okay, if your teacher in the class, so this link, if I need to skip this class, so I need to press this leave button. Okay, so I'm going to press this leave button, so I came out from the class. And if your teacher is here, so that will come green. Okay, are you able to listen me? This will come green, and join live will come in green portion, and you need to tap that, and after that you will enter the class. Okay, so I hope you are understanding me. I do not have any class right now which is already running, so I cannot show which type of interface will come. So like this you can take your classes, and it is very easy to operate. On your time you just need to join your class. Okay, second problem, many students are making me complaints that echo sound will come. So how you will remove this? So echo sound, it came from the student side. So how the student is creating this? So students, listen, when your teacher speaking, telling anything, do not open your mic. Okay, if you open your mic, so sound will become echo, it converted in echo. And if it is converted in echo, so it will you do not have a clear. And how the sound will come, you can check this mic box. Okay, if it is red, that mic is off, and if it is green, your mic is on, like this. Okay, so whenever your class is going here, so you need to press it, and it must be in red portion. Okay, it must be in red. Okay, when you need to speak anything in your class duration, so you just need to press this button, and it will become blue, sorry, green. Okay, now you can say anything to your teacher. Okay, sir, this as you see my screen, this option come, and it can be disappear. So how can it come back? You just need to tab in the center. When you need to tab in the center, it just come. I'm going to tab. Okay, as you see, mic is come. Again, as I tab in the center, mic has been disappear. So this is the you can check your mic, and you can add, sorry, you can check, and you can find whatever the options you have at the below. Okay, so mic must be Z if your class is going on, so echo will not create. Okay, this problem I found from the student side. Okay, if any problem you have in this app, you can contact me, and you already have my contact number, 9999887561. I will help you. If you have any problem with the from any teacher, so I can help you on this number. You just tell me. Okay, so your online class is going on, just find your class list, tap this link, and join your classes at particular time. And you can give the test on this app and assignment. So whenever your teacher will give you a test assignment, so do your assignment at the proper time. Okay, this you need to do for this app. And how you need to do your homework? So homework you need to do on your notepad. After writing homework in your notepad, fair notepad, you need to your upload your homework at WhatsApp group. So every teacher will provide you different WhatsApp group. Do not send any homework in other groups. Like I can show my group. So I have lot of groups. Okay. So if I need to send my homework in Hindi group, so I need to upload my homework Hindi group. If I need to upload my homework in other group, so I need to go there and I will upload. Like I have the English group, I have the science group, I have lot of group with their subject name. If your teacher do not provide the subject name like this is 7th class and this teacher do not provide the name of the subject. So I will talk to that teacher. You can directly talk to that teacher. Sir must write down the name of the subject so we can write down homework. Okay. So this type of problem you can face, but I will help you if you will tell me. Do not worry about that. I will tell your name to the teachers. So how can you work? You can. I think now you learn. As I have chemistry homework, so I need to upload my chemistry homework in that group. Okay, I do not upload here physics, other homework. If I will upload, teacher will not calculate them, and teacher will cancel them, and your record will be not fair, not a proper record you have. So this type of facility came from your app, and how can you do your homework? So it is clear now. If you still do have any problem, so I will be there.